we have seen Moscow already hinting that they will actually possibly veto or oppose or water down any attempt to go to the UN Security Council because they do have an issue with the idea, for example, of having a monitoring mechanism or a peacekeeping force in Libya that would actually oversee or monitor the ceasefire and monitor the arms embargo or the implementation of the arms embargo. On the other side, I think the UAE and Egypt, for example, have invested way too much and for years in order to have Khalifa Haftar completely capture the country and rule there and ensure that political Islam groups that dominate the government of national accord are no longer in power. So both sides or these intervening countries actually do not really have an incentive of stopping the conflict. It's better for them maybe to see the status quo actually continuing.